Hey guys, Butch Newell here with 2 Minute Tackle, and today I'm going to talk to you about the RinseKit Lux. Hey guys, Butch Newell here with 2 Minute Tackle, and today I'm going to talk to you about the RinseKit Lux. Now I had a RinseKit in the past, as you guys know, hang on, which is this one right here, right? This is the RinseKit Original, and I tell you what, I love it to death. It fits in the trunk of my Ridgeline here, stays with me, never had any issues. So check this out. Let's check out this. All right, this is the Lux. And as you can see, it is a little different looking than the original. All right, so how do we get into this thing? I like the packaging. Well, they made this pretty simple. Okay, so I just took off, it's got a shoulder strap. I just took off the shoulder strap so I could get the paperwork off of it. And so here on the paperwork, you can see everything it has to say about it being portable. It also includes, I see it's got a hot water sink adapter. Now on the inside, it's got all the directions. Wow, that's pretty detailed there. How to fill it, draining and maintenance, and then in different language. All right, so let's take a look at this. See what we got. Okay, so we got a zippered pocket here on the front, or the back, however you want to look at it. Here is a mesh pocket. It's got carry handles on the ends, and it looks like, oh, it's got a doubled zipper on the top there with a magnetic closure is what it said. Okay, so let's get in here. So here it is. This is the tank. They say it's got 6-foot hose, and it has 8 minutes of run time on the center setting. As you can, it says right there, center. So it's got 8 minutes of water. Just like before, had these quick connects. It's got on and off, which is nice. Got that handle. In here is a hot water sink adapter, so you can fill it. And then there is the normal adapter that you would use on the water faucet or spigot outside. So that's pretty cool. I like that a lot. That's the only thing I've ever had to replace. I had to get more of these because I left them somewhere. But being able to put hot water in here is nice as well. Now, you might see these tubes here. These are 1-inch accessory ports. Two things that are coming. They've got a water heating element that goes down in there, and then it plugs into the 12-volt accessory outlet in your car, and you can heat the water in your car, as well as they've got it set up for a pump. Now this pump, what it'll do is it'll allow you to use water. I guess you could use bottled water if you needed to, and then you could actually turn around and pump it up. It's got a pressure gauge in the top of the pump. I'll be doing reviews on those as well as soon as I can get my hands on them. So the coolest part about this that is over and above what the last one could do, check this out. This side is sealed. This is actually, it's lined, and it's insulated, and you can use this as a cooler. So if you wanted to, you could leave this in the car, take this, fill it up with some ice, put some sandwiches, some drinks in there, and there you have it. You've got a cooler take with you out on the paddleboard or on the kayak, and then when you get back to the shore, you've got this to rinse off all your gear. So stay tuned. There'll be more coming. This is Butch Newell with 2 Minute Tackle. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. More importantly, click subscribe and don't forget to click that bell so you'll get an update next time a video goes live.